After I applied, I got a personalized letter from the chair of the physics department telling me, welcome to Duquesne. I got the tour and I saw that the campus was incredible. And then I met with the different professors in the department and everybody was just so friendly and so welcoming. It definitely made me feel like this is the place that I wanted to be my new home.
I've had the opportunity to work pretty closely with almost all of the professors in the physics department. And because of that, I have gained a lot of mentoring and a lot of help from them, whether it's research-based, life-based.
I get one-on-one time with my professor basically whenever I need it. So I'm able to really look in depth at any problems I'm having. It's I always have someone to go to and work with.
Labs have always been where I thrived because labs is kind of where everything clicks into place for me. You know, there's one thing about a professor telling you things and explaining concepts to you, but it's another thing you doing it yourself and literally seeing the results that you are personally creating. I think research opportunities like that are very much the same thing. Applying these concepts, seeing the results out in front of me is a lot more useful.
The majority of my research has been in nuclear physics and looking into things like nuclei and atoms, studying how they behave and interact with matter. I think the department surprised me with all the opportunities. Like I have been able to get internships every year. I had internships in Japan as well as in Germany. I was at the University of Osaka where I was doing a lot of different hands-on experimentation, learning about tons of different experimental nuclear physics and things like that. And I feel like those experiences are where I really got to know how to do physics.
I've been to the URSS undergraduate symposiums that we host here, as well as the American Physical Society's QIP. And then I was at NCUR this year, which was also sponsored by Duquesne, so there were a lot of people there I knew. It's really important to me because not only do I get to talk about what I'm doing, it's my baby, my research, but I also get to see what everyone else is doing and stay kind of up to date on what current fields are looking at.
Honestly, I didn't realize how beneficial such a small department would be, or in such a small school, because Duquesne is kind of on the smaller scale. Honestly, I think that's the thing that has kept me dedicated. I can have one-on-one relationships with professors. I always feel comfortable asking them questions. I never feel like I'm one grain of sand swimming in this ocean of every other student that I'm in class with. I feel like I am a person with my own distinct personality and my own distinct presence here, and I am able to take up that space, and it is very welcoming.